The scene is a winter playground. The slopes are covered with snow and of course some skiers are too. Welcome to Ski Patrol. Ski Patrol color palette is traditional red, white, greens of the forest and even some darker brown values. But this year we brought it one step further because ski has been so popular that we've added quite a bit of blue to the look, and I think it just makes it pop and feels fresh. The tree features some of our new pieces. As you can see, this is an exclusive snowmobile, and we have also created a little Santa that is posable and you can have him riding one of the snowmobiles down the slopes of your tree. Well, you've also have some new resin pieces. It's a skier, and we have a little boy and a girl also, maybe sitting on the little ski lift chair. Some great pieces to add to your ski patrol. On the slopes, you're going to see a soft side too, soft as in plush. And we've introduced some new bears this year for our woodland little landscape here. And I really like their clothes on here. Plaid is still big. It's very popular. And then we've got a little bit of that ski sweater going on too with them. We got a few new pieces in that. And I did want to point out this new floral up here. It's beautifully flocked snow wreath. We have it in a candle ring, a garland, and also a spray. But the berries on there just pop with a few of the red berries and the snow-covered pine cones. Ski Patrol also offers a lot of exclusive pieces, such as this tray. The pattern on here has a contemporary or a modern look of skiers going down the slope. We've also featured the same pattern on some of our ornaments, and you've got to take a time to come and check out some of our new ornaments that we have. We have a Santa on ski, we got Santa on a snowmobile, and these ornaments are probably my favorites in this look. It's just a regular glass ball, but they have the skiers on there with some trees, and then this new little topper with the resin skiers and Santa on top. While playing on the slopes in Ski Patrol, you might even see a bear, deer, or a moose or two. But Ski Patrol has so many different things. Please take the time to come play on our slopes.